The TOMLOV DM702 Digital Microscope stands out with a large high-definition screen that makes tiny coin details and circuit traces easy to see without eye strain. Its tall, adjustable stand gives enough working distance to view an entire large coin or handle soldering jobs without bumping the lens. Magnification, that reaches well into the microscopic range, provides crisp, detailed views of coins, components, and circuit boards for serious inspection work. The spacious metal base and rotatable display make it practical for electronics repair, letting you position boards and tools comfortably while keeping the image in view. A built-in camera with full high-definition video recording and remote control makes capturing and sharing still images and clips straightforward and shake-free. Flexible lighting from adjustable top and bottom light sources, combined with computer connectivity and removable storage, gives hobbyists and professionals a lot of control over both viewing and documenting their work.